how to add question when you join a Discord in 2025. So first of all, you need to log into your Discord account, and then you can just right click on the server and click on the server settings. And after that, you just have to scroll down and look for the option called enable community, and you just have to simply click on enable community and click on get started. And then you have to check all the verification level like verified email required and scan media content from all members and click on next. And after that, rules or guidelines channel, create one for me, create one for me. I'll just let it be and click on next. And then as you can see, all the safe settings and the current disabled, follow the rules and click on the agree understand and click on finish setup. And after clicking on finish setup, you can see another options under the community overview of Acquire, that's onboarding, and you just have to simply click on the onboarding and click on check it out from it, and you just have to click on got it, and you just have to simply follow the 5 steps like the safety check, default channels, customization questions, server guide and review. And let's just click on the next. We're going to the next step. What are the channels every member should have? Got it. And 0 like rules, text channels and general. You just have to enable all the channels you have and click on next. And after that, you have to customize the questions from here. So for that, so now you can see there are two types of question here. One is pre-join questions and one is post-join question. So for the pre-join question, you can just click on here and copy paste your question or just type your question. And you can also add an answer to it, like write an answer, like the answer is 1. And assign, you can also assign channels and or roles like enter channel. So for that, you can just assign the text channels, and you can also enter a role. And after that, you just have to just save it. And then you can just click on the post-join questions from here. You can then click on add a question. And here you can see the question section. So let's say how's the day, this is my question, and you can click on it and add an answer. Good. And after providing this answer, he will redirect it to the text channel also, and click on save. And after that, you just have to click on next. So before clicking on next, let me tell you one thing: you can add multiple questions on the pre-join questions and the post-join questions. And after that, you just have to simply click on next and click on got it. And there are some options called welcome sign and all. So in this section, you can just add a task for the channel. So click on add a task from here, and like post a photo of your pet, like post your selfie. This is the task, and where should they do it? And you can just click on which category they should do it. I'll just select general, and then you can also upload a custom thumbnail here. And the task is complete when member visits the channel. You can just check right here, member sends a message in the channel, and let's let it be like member sends a message in the channel and click on save. And after that, you can also give some resources page here, and you can also add multiple tasks from here. So after that, you just have to simply click on next, and on this page, so let me tell you another thing. On the server guide, you can set up a welcome sign also, and you just have to click on your account and type anything you want and click on save. And after that, you just have to click on the next and go to the review section. So now to enable the onboarding, you just have to simply click on edit, and as you can see, moderate only, review permissions, update permissions, and then click on next. And for the default channels, like you must have 7 total channels and 5 channels, new members can talk it. So you must have the, so now you just have to simply click on enable onboarding, and after clicking on it, as you can see, the onboarding is now enabled. So that's for the video. That is how you add questions when you are on your Discord channel. So that's it for the video. See you on the next one, guys.